Dear students, we are going to do question number 3 and 5 from exercise 13.1, which is related to convert into exponential form. And as you all can see, question number 3 tells us that you have been given some numbers. For example, I am taking one example which is the larger one, 3125, and also taking one more example, that is 343. I am taking these two examples. The question is telling here you have to express each of the following numbers using exponential form. बेटा exponential form का मतलब होता है that you have to write down the number in the form of power notation, and power notation can only be coming with the help of prime factorization method. तो सबसे पहले we will use the method of prime factorization, and with the help of prime factorization we will first convert this number into its factor. Just a minute. So what we will do, we will first use the method of prime factorization and we will break this number into its factors. Now how we will do that? We will use the method of prime factorization. You are knowing that this number has a unit place as 5. So this means it will be only divisible by 5 first. So I'm going to start from 5. 5 6s are 30, then 5 2s are 10, and then 5 5s are 25. You will have 625. Now again this number ends with 5 only. That means you can have it, the number which should be divisible by 5 again. So now it will give you 5 1s are 5. Then again you have 5 2s are 10, and then you have 5 5s are 25. Fine. Now let's move further, because again you have ending place with 5 only. So you will be again taking the number 5. 5 2s are 10, and then here 5 5s are 25. Now 25 came. Again one more time 5, and then again one more time 5. Then you will add this number as 1. Now how many times you can see 5 here? 1 2 3 4 5. And the same number is coming, that is 5 only, and coming 5 times. So 5 is coming 5 times. That means you can write it down. 3125 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's move on to the next number, that is 343. So 343, again we will do the same process again. You must be knowing that when you use 343, this number is a number which is only divisible by 7. Fine. So we will start this question by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 9s are 63. 49 came. Then once again it will be divisible by 7 only. Again 7 will come, and one more time 7 will give you only 1. That means 7 is coming 3 times. It means you can simply write it down. 343 can be written as 7 to the power of 3. So we have understood how to do question number 3. Student, please respond in the chat box. Have you understood? If yes, write it down yes. If not, please write it down no. Thank you. Question number 5 we have is express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. Okay. So for this I am taking one larger number, that is 3600, and I am taking one more smaller number also, that is 405. Okay. So I am taking two examples for making you understand about it. What will you do, students? Simply take this number as a form of prime factorization again, as we have done it in a previous question. And then we will factorize this number. Start by 2, because this number has 0 in its unit place, so it will start by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 00. Again we'll go by 2, 2 9s are 18, 00. Again we'll go by 2, which will give you 450. Again we'll go by 2, so it will give you 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 225. Now this number cannot be divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 3. By 3, 2 2 4 4 5 9. So ये number जाएगा 3 से बेटा. So now 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 20. Sorry, 3 5s are 15. So 75 आ गया. अगेन ये नंबर 3 से जाएगा बेटा, so it will give you 25 3 is 75. Now 25 came. Now once again it will go by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now this is completely solved. Remember, for converting into exponential form, बेटा आपको ये याद रखना है कि जब आप फैक्टराइज करते हो तो आपका फैक्टराइजेशन शुड बी राइट. अगर फैक्टराइजेशन राइट नहीं है तो आपका जो पावर नोटेशन होगा बेटा वो भी रॉन्ग होगा. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं यहाँ पर कितनी बार 2 आया, कितनी बार 3 आया, कितनी बार 5 आया. सो लुक एट हियर, 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 4. Form of multiplication 1 2, 3 times 2, so 3 to the power 2. 5 coming 2 times, so 5 to the power 2. It means your answer of this particular question will be 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Always remember बेटा, कितना भी larger number क्यों ना हो, कितना भी larger number क्यों ना हो, you can convert any number into its exponential form. Okay, Kashish, you want to ask any question? Can you please come on your video mode? Thank you. Students, do remember one thing. Before using prime factorization method, try to recall the numbers divisibility test. ठीक है, आपको पता है ये नंबर, दिस नंबर इज एंडिंग विद 5, इट मींस ये श्योरली है कि नंबर 2 से तो डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. बट 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में पढ़ते हैं. 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट कहता है यू हैव टू टेक द सम ऑफ डिजिट्स. 5 plus 4 will give you 9. 9 का मतलब है दिस नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. ठीक है, सो आप पहले 3 भी ले सकते हो, 5 भी ले सकते हो. इट्स नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप 3 ही पहले लो, बट कीप इन योर माइंड दैट यू हैव टू रिकॉल द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स and only choose the prime number. So what we will do here, we will start this question by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 3 8 8 1 9. Again it will be going by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again we'll go by 3 only. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again it will go by 3, so it will give you 3 5s are 15, and now the next number will be 5, so 5 1s are 5. Okay, now you can see we are getting 3 4 times and 5 only one time, so your answer can be written as 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 1 आप लिखो या 5 only लिखो, that also correct. बट अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में लिखकर आया है, if you have to write it down in the form of exponential, so try to, for the safer side, try to put the power 1, because जिस नंबर की कोई पावर नहीं होती है बेटा उसका मतलब होता है that is repeating only one time and that means it has a power of 1. ठीक है, so keep in your mind, अगर किसी नंबर की कोई भी पावर नहीं लिखी है उसका मतलब ये है कि उस नंबर की पावर 1 है. Okay, second part, I was telling Shrishti to put a bracket. Let me tell you why I am telling to put a bracket while writing, because some of these students have the larger handwriting. ठीक है, they have a larger handwriting. So what they write, जब लिखते हैं 3 की power 4 तो they write like this. कुछ लोग बड़ा लिखते हैं, उनकी आदत होती है बड़ा लिखने की, और जिसके कारण क्या होता है, पावर और बेस दोनों के दोनों मिक्स मैच हो जाते हैं. तो जब भी हम एग्जाम के लिए पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें बेटा, तो हमेशा याद रखो, या तो हमेशा आदत बनाओ कि बेस शुड बी लिटिल रिटन लार्जर एंड पावर शुड बी रिटन लिटिल स्मॉलर. बट इन केस इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू सो, एट लीस्ट पुट अ ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, इफ यू विल पुट अ ब्रैकेट यू विल हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग द ब्रैकेट ऑलवेज, तो आपको नेगेटिव नंबर से भी सेफ साइड मिल जाएगा. अगर आपके पास नेगेटिव नंबर है तो उस केस में भी हमेशा ब्रैकेट लगाना चाहिए. तो इट विल सेव योर टाइम, इट विल सेव योर कंफ्यूजन, एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स विल आल्सो बी लाइक क्लियर इन योर माइंड. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर हम लिख रहे हैं -3 की पावर 4, तो ऐसे लिखने की बजाय अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हो तो ये ज्यादा बेटर होगा, रादर राइटिंग ओनली -3 टू द पावर 4. ठीक है, ज्यादा बेटर का इन द सेंस आपके गलत होने के चांसेस कम हो जाएंगे बेटा. ठीक है, students always remember when you have given two type of numbers, one is this, and suppose I am asking from you without doing any calculation, please tell me which number would be larger. If you must be remembering, I have taught you in our previous classes also that larger the power, larger the number is. Okay, how much the power will be bigger, that much number will be larger. For example, अगर हम बात करें 10 की पावर 11 इससे मल्टीप्लाई, बट याद रखिएगा ये चीज बेटा जब ज्यादा डिफरेंस हो उसके लिए होता है, ये नहीं कि आपने, मैंने बोला 2 की पावर 3 है और आपके पास 3 की पावर 2 है, ठीक है, तो अब आपने बोला कि मैम आपने तो कहा था लार्जर द पावर लार्जर द नंबर, सो मैम ये तो गलत हो गया। जैसे मैंने आपको बोला 2 की पावर 3 और एक बोला 3 की पावर 2, तो आप बोलेंगे मैम आपने कहा है लार्जर द पावर लार्जर द नंबर, इट मींस दिस इज ग्रेटर, बट कीप इन योर माइंड अगर नंबर छोटा है, ठीक है, और दोनों के बीच में बहुत क्लोज डिफरेंस है, तब आप ये बात नहीं कह सकते हो। अगर आपके बीच में डिफरेंस ज्यादा है, सो यू कैन गिव द आंसर इन दैट वे, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन 10 की पावर 11 है, यहाँ पर 10 की पावर 8 है, सो इट मींस किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, 10 की पावर 11 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है एक नंबर, और एक नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 10 की पावर 8 से। 10 की पावर 8 मींस हो जाएगा 10 along with 8 zeros, और 10 की पावर 11 हो जाएगा 10 along with 11 zeros. So remember, जिस नंबर की पावर ज्यादा है वो नंबर आपका लार्जर नंबर होगा. Without any calculation, you can write it down the simple process. Now I am giving you one more question for it. Please tell me what answer can you write it down the larger one. Please tell me which one is the greater one. I have written two numbers here, 0.003468 multiplied by 10 to the power 39. And another number is 0.003468 multiplied by 10 to the power 9. First one or the last one, which number is there? Left one is greater or right one is greater? Left one or right one? You can so simply speak left one or right one. And now you must be thinking, ma'am, which one is left, which one is right? This is sorry, this is my left side, this is my right side, but आपका opposite होगा, है ना? चलो, okay. So it means 10 to the power 39 wala is left, and you must be telling that, ma'am, this will be greater. Absolutely right. It has the number as a larger power. That means this will be the greater number in all. Okay. Fine. Thank you, everyone. Now this exercise is completed.